Good morning, good morning. Baby Biara Ghana President John Mahama who are OTM. Asamba kupena mi woma. Na somebody said,
Asɛm wɔ hɔ ɔmpɛ nipa, asɛm mpɛ nipa, asɛm mpɛ nipa, nipa na pɛ ne ho asɛm, yɛsi nipa te ahodwo a ɔmpɛ, isa wɔtena makom, na bi kɔ n'ani, antena ate ne ho ase. Ɛfa Igbo King yɛ sɛ ɔwɔ Ghana ha no mu a, Ghana for ɛtwe ne srɛ ne abasa, ebisi Igbo must go, ayɛ sɛ yɛ on the 19th of July, ɛkyina akyi yɛ akora no. Amanfo ɛkyɛ si mɔntene so ayɛ demonstrations against the Igbo former Ghana ha no mu no. NDC ni bi atake issue no to the next level. Menogasi are threats Mahama here or be two night or organize soldiers for no more to Mahama a dear or be two Mahama Momo 12. There's only a coup Etia Mahama na a new brasso could do so a brand di Casana. Achimism. Any easy, memo video not what to Amame, I will comment section. I have Penyah Brock Media, Mess was any deal. Over like a video, no doubt my boss subscribe button and the snap back and keep notification on the latest updates. Now, but you're watching the Amame. Ewo comments as well as about not sure for any be after. Ejenye the Igbo King in Ghana issue na be there be media so obi e kan de ye tiri sere ne abasa e be say Igbo King must go ye hia no e be just there be wa be munya botreba no wa be companies e wa Ghana we be it no the contribution to this country development no e very good it no ye nya botreba ngakra sana e bi mu e kire ma even black brothers akwa be fire omo won attack no obe fire what I say that was ever fire. Now, Ghana from Jezakian, Igbos must go. Emma catch us on the 19th of July 2025, Saturday, Miano. Ghana for us set that day aside to demonstrate against Igbos in Ghana, not the Igbo King per se, but the Igbos in Ghana. Now, prior to this issue, no, and NDC food soldier on the TikTok app, so which them said, oh no, no, Mahama, Emma corner home, so there be. Why NDC, but as me by Mahama and Timmy Cash, intended Mahama and here. Enam Igbo Kings and Semno. Omube tu Mahama memu atuogu.
Everywhere you are watching me this morning, a country can be great when he has wise and sensible leaders. According to scripture, a country can be great when he has wise and sensible leaders. But why Ghana? Why Ghana? Ghana don't have any wise and sensible leaders. The only people we have in Ghana is the people who can steal the estate money, steal the money to use to feed their family and to do their personal job, business. According to scripture, let's read the Bible together. Where there is no counsel, the people fall. According to the scripture, Proverbs 11:14. Where there is no counsel, the people fall, but in the multitude of counselors, there is safety. Why am I Ghana? We don't have any wise and sensible leaders. I have the legal right to speak when President Mahama is not doing the right thing. I am the NDC member and I vote for Mahama. Why those people, foreigners, come to our country to buy our land to build kingdom, and some few years to come, they will start doing unnecessary things. This person will start walking around Ghana and keep doing what he like, and I will not take it. I will not sit here in my lifetime and be watching things like this. There are certain things that we need to do in Ghana, and President Mahama, I want to let you know, we are not animal. You have been selected by the citizen of the country, the people. You have been selected by the people of the country, Ghana. So when you come to power and you are doing unnecessary things, if the people who is working with you, your people who is working with you over here are blinder. No one, even one of them don't have sense to correct you. The people you are working with over there, the people who is working with you, we are not animal in the country Ghana. So don't be leading the country like your personal business, your personal job. We are suffering in Ghana too much. We don't want any trouble. We don't want any war in Ghana. If you want to continue lead Ghana or you resign, be very careful about how you are leading the country Ghana. You are a human being. Everybody is watching you. Everywhere, everybody is watching you. The world is watching you. The world is watching you. And the job that you are doing, the people is watching. The people is watching. These people come to your presence having a handshake with you. And both of you are taking photos, share on social media. This person will become proud and continue walking around Ghana, do what he like. I will not see and keep quiet. This is not a leader we are expecting in Ghana. Many troubles are in Ghana. We are facing already. We don't want anyone. You must stand up and let these people out of Ghana. Otherwise, in my lifetime, I will not see and keep quiet. I vote for you, Mahama. I vote for you. I have the legal right to speak when you are not doing the right thing, because another people's wisdom prevents the king from being called a fool. Another people's wisdom prevents the king from being called a fool. When you are not doing the correct thing, people have the legal right to correct you, to speak. But the people who is working with you over there, all of them are blind. They are totally blind. And look at where this country is going. Oh my Ghana, you are selling the property of Ghana, the property we have in Ghana. You are selling the property of Ghana to the foreigner. What are we expecting in the country Ghana? You are selling our property to the foreigner to build his kingdom in our land Ghana. No, it can never ever happen. As I'm talking to you now, Ghana don't have any property. We don't have any property at all in Ghana anymore. We don't have any property in Ghana anymore. If there is any of you try to interfere with my conflicts, as long as I am the servant of the Most High God, both of you will face a serious consequences that your entire generation and your family will face it. It can never be undone. We are suffering in Ghana. You are bringing another trouble to Ghana with these Igbo people. Do you know why another countries banned Nigeria? Do you know why the rest of the countries banned Nigeria people from traveling to their country? Because they know what these people can do. I don't like it at all. I will never, with all due respect, I will not see and keep quiet. With all due respect, I will not sit with my eyes and keep quiet. Mahama is no longer hearing the cry of Ghanaians. Mahama is no longer hearing the cry of Ghanaians. He is there doing his personal thing and they don't want to mind. I want to let him know, if you continue like this as a president in this country, Ghana, your time will be up. Your time will be up. And we will go and bring MPP back to power. We will go and bring MPP back to power. And no Ghanaian will have nothing to do about this. If there is Ghanaian, if there is any of you, any Ghanaian, try to with our conflicts, we will let him out of Ghana. We will let him out of Ghana. Because this is not a leadership we want in Ghana. We select you to come and do. When Nanado was a president, there are people come from far away to Ghana trying to do what is not necessary. There is only one word that Nanado said, and those people were out of Ghana immediately. You are watching these things, seeing all of them. You keep quiet, and this person came to your presence, having a handshake with you and taking pictures with you, share on social media. This person will become bold and keep walking around Ghana. You are selling the property of Ghana to the foreigners. Why are you making a lot of Ghanaians more angry? We are the one who selects you to become and continue your work, because the work, the work that you have done when you come to power before Nana came, the work that you did to Ghana, yes, we like it. That is why we select you to come back again. Look at what we will go and bring NPP party back to power, and there is no Ghanaian who have nothing to do about it. If there is Ghanaian try to interfere in our country, we will let it out of Ghana. We are not expecting trouble in Ghana. We are facing many things already. We are not expecting trouble in Ghana. I want to let everyone watching me, every Ghanaian, when you support, the truth must be told. The country can be great when he has wise and sensible leaders. But I don't know why Ghana don't have any wise and sensible leaders in Ghana. I will stand for Ghana, and we will fight until Ghana is free. John Mahama, your leadership, you need to mind. Otherwise, there is a problem coming. Good morning. Baby Biara, Ghana President John Mahama, who are OTM. Asamba Kupena mi wama. Now somebody said, don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal pride. Don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal business. You are not a king. You are not a supreme leader. You are just a president. Don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal business. But you want to sell the country Ghana to the foreigner. You want to sell the country Ghana to the foreigner. Ghana or mine, Ghana, ma foreigner. Ghana. The city, do you want to destroy the country Ghana, or you came as a president to protect the country Ghana, the people of the country Ghana? Do you come as a president to protect the country Ghana, the people of the country Ghana, or you come to destroy them? How can you sell our country to the foreigner? Because we say Igbo for Ghana. Do you know why other countries banned Nigeria from traveling to their country? Do you know why the rest of the countries banned the country Nigeria from traveling to their country? You don't know them. These Igbo people, you don't know them, and you allow them to enter Ghana to do what you like. How can you come to Ghana? Obi Manso, so Baba Sidian or Oba Kingdom. How can Igbo came to Ghana to build a Kwasiafona more Ghana mo nim Yansabiano? How can Igbo? What? Me catch you pa John Mahama no. Kwasiafo na mo Ghana mo nim nyansa bia mo to asase na ma Kwasiafo we Igbo people. Do you know what they can do to the people of Ghana? And you, John Mahama, you are sell our land to those people to come and build kingdom, Igbo kingdom in Ghana. How is it possible? Ejuna yedimo so ochana se ejuma no ntumi ya. Never come. Never free her. Resign and let the people know that I cannot continue the work. You cannot just come and sell our land to the people because Igbo people. Do you know what they can do? Don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal pride. You are not a king. You are just a president. And within the short time coming, you will no longer be there. Because you are for Igbo people. What do you want to me here? John Mahama said, "One share you, that's one year. Because you are penny way about when Igbo King way Igbo people, the omo wini pandam se bibiano. What ton assassina ma omo se bibi si wa Ghana no akọ tina plane mu o ko outside country. Just try and see. Just try and see. Just try and see what will happen to you. You, John Mahama, try and see. When you bring trouble to Ghana, then you run away. Then you run and go and enter plane. You are going to outside country. The plane will catch fire and you will die. When you die, you go and meet your creator. You are not a king in Ghana, John Mahama. You are not a king in Ghana. You are just a president. Because you are somewhere. What? Hello, good morning. Everywhere you are watching me. Baby Biara Ghana President John Mahama who are watching me. Asamba Penyah me warm out. Don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal business. You are not a king. You are not a supreme leader. You are just a president. Don't be leading the country Ghana like your personal pride. You are not a king in Ghana, you are a president. How can you allow Igbo people? You are selling the country Ghana to the foreigner. You are selling our country on my Ghana. Who turn on my Ghana? I'm a foreigner. So BBC or Ghana, never call airport, who got in a plane, who call outside. The thunder will strike the plane and the plane will catch fire, you will die. And you go and meet your creator. How can you sell on my Ghana to the foreigner on my Ghana? Do you know why other countries banned Nigeria from traveling to their country? Do you know why other countries banned Nigeria people from traveling to their country? And you as a president, you allowed those people, Igbo people, came to Ghana to destroy Ghana on my Ghana. You allowed those people as a president in Ghana. You came as a president to protect the country Ghana, or you came to bring trouble to Ghana? John Mahama. You came as a president, you came to Ghana as a president to bring peace to Ghana, or you came to destroy Ghana or my Ghana? Because you are paying for more Ghana, Munim Yansabiano. What on your assassin, I'm a foreigner or Babylon kingdom in Ghana? Igbo people, you are coming to build your kingdom in Ghana. How is it possible? Igbo kingdom in Ghana. Igbo, you want to be a king in Ghana. We have a kings in Ghana. We don't need you. We don't need you as a king in Ghana. John Mahama, Jumana, yes, but you know, so one shame, after 1 year, Jumana, so to me, here, Jumana resign and let the people know that this work I cannot do it anymore. Mintina han share nya din, mintina han share kama nuntum, because anyway, do you know why another countries banned Nigeria people from traveling to their country? And you came as a president, you allowed those people enter Ghana to do what they like. To do what they like. How can Igbo who be a king, who become a king in Ghana, or be my son? You are traveling from your country, you came to build your kingdom in Ghana.
Say, Uncle Drusin and your dance were Branty de Casano. I know the name that the Nigerian so into what Penyah will go through. I had this particular video at threatening a whole president with Coup D'etat. Hey, Scott, I will go through. Hey, Obet Match, I in the Amman, I will comment session. I Penyah Block Media. Okay.